How to fix auto rotate on Android mobile. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, you need to simply pull down your notification bar and look for auto rotate option. If it's disabled, turn it on and check if auto rotate is working or not. The second step you can follow is simply if auto rotate option is missing from the notification bar, you can hop into settings. Choose display and brightness, and you need to locate auto rotate button. Make sure to toggle the button on if you see auto rotate screen option. And after that, this will help you to make the auto rotate available on the notification bar again and turn it, or it will enable, and you can simply use this feature. So this option might be on different section depending upon your Android device, so you have to simply look for that. And once enabled, you need to check if the screen rotation is working by rotating your device or not. So let's go to YouTube application and launch a video. And when you see that when you rotate the screen, it will be automatically auto rotated. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.